And talking about this co-driver side, you get this control. So now it's open and close. And these two buttons are for back glass, as I mentioned. And this is the button to lock all the four windows except the driver window, because the driver window can be opened. But other windows like the co-passenger window cannot be opened. Like I'm pressing, it will not open, because this locking glass lock feature only works for the three doors except the driver door, because the driver door is an automatic glass and it cannot be locked with this button. Only the three doors has this lock function, and the driver side glass doesn't have this lock function. And this is the controls for the mirrors. It's adjusting, yes, right mirror and left mirror. Nothing to do, just rotate this knob like this for right and left. And next thing I want to tell you guys is that the child lock. The child lock feature is only available for the back door. Like I am opening this door, it's locked. And this is the child lock, child proof, free lock. So it's mentioned that child lock here. So this is the lever, and pulling this, the child lock is not activated. By pulling this, child lock is activated. So if I sit inside this car, and if I want to open this door, the child lock is activated, so I cannot open. So to get this child lock off, just pull the lever to the right side, then the child lock is off. Pull that lever to left side, child lock is activated. So my child lock in this door is activated, so I cannot open this. But this door I can open because the child lock is not activated here. Like if I want to unlock, I should put the accessory mode and lock in this mirrors, as it is locked here. So now it's unlocked, and so if this child lock is activated, I cannot open the door